our love will never cease to exist. So it only means that this is a relationship na pangmatagalan. This is not a relationship na pwede mong itapon, no, na pag-ayaw-ayaw na. And this is also the feelings of your person na hindi porket nagkaroon tayo ng problema, ibig sabihin tapos na yon. Hindi porket meron tayong challenges, ibig sabihin nun, end na yon. No? That's why we are partners. The King and Queen of Pentacles are here. Humuhugot ako sa iyo ng lakas, humuhugot ka sa akin ng lakas, no? And sa iyo rin ako humuhugot ng inspiration, and I hope, no, that these challenges becomes an inspiration na para sa inyong dalawa to become a better person, no? Let's get a message from the universe. You are so much closer to a powerful breakthrough than you may realize. You have been praying for things to heal, new opportunities to appear, relationships to improve, and these prayers will be answered soon. This is a promise from the universe na ang lapit-lapit mo na eh. Alam niyo yung kwento ng nagmimina, no? So, hukay siya ng hukay ng ginto or diamond, no? Konting-konti na lang eh. Nawalan pa siya ng pag-asa. Umalis. Eh may bagong tao ngayon, no? Na, ay, meron ditong opening. Pagpatuloy ko nga yung ginagawa nito. Konti lang yung ginawa niya. Siya pa naka-jackpot, no? I'm seeing that you are very, very close talaga, no? Dito sa mga pangarap natin. And baka nga mas sandali na lang, no? Itong gap. New opportunities may also appear. Pwede mag-abroad, no? Or mas magandang place dun sa iyong pinapangarap na bahay. Mas bongga, no? Hindi naman laging kailangan na dapat bongga ang kasal. Pero, you know, this is a once in a lifetime. People may like it, people may not. I do not have a problem to, you know, kung paano nyo i-spend yung kasal ninyo as long as sana hindi ito nakapagpadagdag ng stress, no? After ng kasal. What I'm trying to say here is parehas lang din naman yan ng basbas, no?